What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 21st. Happy Monday. Let's get into the video. So today was very slow. I'm sure most of you definitely saw that. So let's go ahead and go over the overall market real quick. So if I pull up the SPY, right? Right now, SPY is actually doing good. Well, it's trying to recover. But last night, there were some good news that came out. Maybe it was early this morning or something like that on the relief fund for the coronavirus. But also, I think this morning, we also had some news about a new strain of coronavirus. So I think because of that, the action was very slow today. Let me know in the comments if you felt the same. But right now, it seems like SPY is trying to recover. But right now, this is too many green candles in a row, definitely extended. But let's get into the trades. So let me pull up. So today I was watching, let me just pull over my list real quick, right? So today I was watching here, EYEG was too expensive, right? And let's see, it wasn't much. It was very small list for me. AIM I was watching. I believe there were a few others that are not on the list right now that actually crashed, I'm sure. So, but anyways, I traded today SQFT, NXTD, CBLI. So SQFT I didn't get fills on. It was just crazy spread just because it was very low volume. And I can show you that real quick. So SQFT, as you can see, it was just very low volume, but the stock, when it moves, it makes big moves. But I wasn't going to go big on this. As you can see, I was trying to, buy like 250 shares. I don't think you're going to see it here, but it was 250 shares, but the spread was insane. So I didn't want to risk too much. I think I only took maybe 10% or something like that. So NXTD was losing trade for the breakup 157. That didn't happen, so I got out with a penny loss. And then the other trade were losing as well. CBLI was a losing trade. So today I actually was a red day. I'm down $62, which is, hey, I'm happy, right? It's because, again, I'm limiting my losses in a market that's very slow, keeping my hands away from the keyboard and saying, hey, the writing's on the wall. Today's a slow day. Just back off. Come back tomorrow. And expect this week to be slow. Thursday is a short day. And Friday, there's no trading, right? The market is closed. So definitely be cautious this week. And make sure you follow your plans. And don't force anything. Because if you force something, you just don't know what's going to happen, right? So, overall, definitely a slow day. But obviously SQFT is, just going nuts right now. But just low volume. So NXTD, if I just pull it up real quick, I was trying to get in around this area right here for the breakup 158 and then break the highs, but that didn't happen. So yeah, everything that I was watching today, it kind of crashed. Like CBLI, I was watching, just volume just died off. And then what was the other one? CRBP I was watching, again, volume died off. MREO, I was watching from Friday's continuation, just choppy moves, right? Nothing too crazy. Maybe you may break this 348 spot. I don't know, but I'm not going to touch it. CLVS, I kind of had hoped for, but maybe for the break of 550s right here, if it came back up, test and reject, and then breaks out, but that didn't happen. So just been, volume just been very low today. So, if you look at AIM, right, AIM, same thing. So I'm sure shorts made a lot of money today. It was just their type of market today, and which is okay, right? Everyone got to make money. You just have to be cautious and trade your plan. That's it for me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribing, so please make sure you subscribe. This helps me out, helps out the channel. And I will see you guys tomorrow.